Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c : and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c : and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Type in bootrec space / fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type in bootrec space / fixboot and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space c : / and simply hit enter. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows / system32 / config / regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space / exports space c : / bcd backup, then hit enter. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now execute this command. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type attrib c : / boot / bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Now type ren space c : / boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space / rebuild bcd and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.